Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Today I have an energizing morning routine for you. This is good to wake up the body and mind and get the energy up and running. So if you do these exercises before your first cup of coffee, you may actually not need one. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. So we'll begin in a standing position. Just a few details here to make sure you're standing properly and comfortably with your feet firm on the ground. Soften your knees, relax your hips. Tuck your tailbone in to flatten the lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed. And take a moment here to notice how your body feels today. We're going to begin by massaging the hands. Bring your attention to the center of your palms and your fingers. And begin to spread that warmth that you generate through rubbing. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Just creating a little friction between your palms. Then go ahead and massage the center of the palm. By the end of this, you really want to feel it warm. Very good. It's coming through. And then we'll switch sides. Really trying to activate the points located on our palm. This is the Laogun point. This point is connected to our heart and the circulation and the chest area, but it's also very beneficial for blood supply to the brain. So we actually feel a little sharper. So that's what we're doing it for. Very good. Go ahead and rub it all around. Becoming fully aware of your hands and your fingers. And then you finish by slapping your hands to activate all the points at once. Make sure you have a good circulation through your hands. Very good. Shake it loose and feel a little tingling. Feel the little buzziness. Then we want to do the same to our feet. We're going to warm up the feet by twisting and making sure we massage all the points located on the soles of our feet. This is fun to do if you're bare feet. Again, trying to create that friction and generate warmth. You can still do that in socks. Very good. And then we also slap. It doesn't have to be aggressive. Again, what you're trying to do is you're trying to have that connection, that stimulation to the sole of the feet. And the same on the other side. Make sure you have a full touch, the heel, the front, the ball of the feet. And then shake it loose. Bring your feet parallel. And make your hands into a loose fist. Keep them nice and warm. We're going to knock just below the belly and the center of the lower back. And every time we knock, we're going to bounce. You don't have to be too precise, roughly aiming at your abdomen and your lower back. And we do a couple of cleansing breaths. First thing in the morning. Wake up the mind, wake up the body. Inhale and exhale every time you tap. If you want to clear your nose, do that nose. Last one. Very good. Slow it down. Feels good already. Feel awake, definitely. From here, we're gonna tap on the chest, lightly with your fingertips up and down the chest. Very, very good. Then raise one hand up and knock on the rib cage. Same on the other side. And all the way at the back, as high as you can reach, trying to target the lungs and the back of the lungs. And then going down to the kidney area. And all the way down to that tailbone. One more time, go all the way to the top as high as you can reach. Come back down, knock on the kidneys and the door of life. Sometimes you can see on the internet, this area is called the door of life, but this area is primarily connected to the kidney health and the kidney chi that gives the body a lot of energy. Shake it off. Relax. Feel the areas that we've just targeted. Feel what changed. A little buzziness, a little movement. Then go ahead and knock around the big joints, the hip joints. I like to do it with the open palm. Cover the top of the glutes. And then we're going down. So knock all the way to your ankle. If that's too quick for you, slow it down. You can even press pause. Very good. Shake it loose. And then another area is we go back to the arms and we knock around the wrist, around the joints. Then move to the elbow. And to the shoulder. Shake it loose. And then repeat the same on the other side. Why are we targeting the joints? Because from the traditional Chinese medicine point of view, most of the energy stagnation happens around the joints. It's the same as the traffic light or the junction on the road. So you want to make sure you have a good flow. And tapping is one of the techniques that really helps to release stagnation. Very good. And let's finish by taking a couple of deep, mindful breaths, drawing the energy into the body. Inhale. And then exhale. Allow yourself to relax. Allow your breath to comfort you. Allow that awareness to spread throughout your body. Go ahead and repeat. If you feel like you want to release something from your chest or you want to exhale some negative emotions, you can breathe out through the mouth. Gives you a cleanse. If you're just staying calm and cool, breathing in through the nose and out the nose. But make sure you take a nice full breath in first. And then easy long exhale. Breathe in one more time. And exhale. Very good. Take a moment here to quickly scan your entire body. You feel nice and awake, alive and present. Feel energy circulating. Feel energy nourishing your entire body, moving through the internal organs, up and down your spine, to all the extremities in your body. And if you feel good, smile to yourself and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized. Let me know in the comments below if this routine helped you, if it made a difference and you feel good. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.